Are you still searching for jobs manually on LinkedIn? In this video, I'll show you how to automate part of that process with Claude Desktop. Instead of typing the same search terms every day, filtering results, and copying links by hand, Claude can help you run a repeatable job research workflow in Chrome. The final result is a structured Google Sheet with job titles, companies, locations, work type, salary information, posting date, and direct links to the LinkedIn offers. The process starts with one main prompt. In this prompt, we tell Claude what kind of jobs to search for, where to search, and how the results should be saved. Claude prepares the workflow and starts working through the instructions. For this to work, Chrome needs to be available on your computer, and LinkedIn should already be logged in. Here, Claude opens LinkedIn and starts checking job offers. In this example, we are searching for AI-related roles, but the same setup can be adjusted for any position, country, or experience level. After collecting the data, Claude saves the results into Google Sheets. So instead of random links and notes, you get one organized database of job opportunities. The table includes the date added, job title, company, location, type of work, salary, posting date, and a direct link to the job offer on LinkedIn. The second tab is a dashboard. It gives you a quick overview of your job search. Total offers found, new offers, reviewed offers, applied positions, and saved opportunities. This means the sheet is not only a list of offers. You can also manage your application process by marking jobs as reviewed, applied, or saved for later. The dashboard updates the status of your research, so after a few days, you can see not only new jobs, but also your own progress. When you click the link, it takes you directly to the original LinkedIn job post. This saves time because you do not need to search for the same offer again. The next tab contains the search configuration. Here you can define keywords, location, work mode, experience level, salary range, and other filters. This is important because you do not need to rewrite the full prompt every time. You can change the criteria in the sheet, and Claude can use them in the next research cycle. The final step is setting up a schedule in Claude Cowork. This tells Claude how often it should run the job search workflow. For example, every morning. The scheduled task gives Claude clear instructions. Open LinkedIn, check new offers based on the saved criteria, avoid duplicates, and update the Google Sheet. In practice, you get a regularly updated job search database without manually copying data every day. It does not replace your decision-making, but it removes a lot of repetitive work. Let me know in the comments if you would use this kind of workflow for your job search. And if you want to get the prompts and the Google Sheet template from this video, leave a comment below. If this video was useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.